Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be a game changer because we're diving deep into the world of entrepreneurship and innovation with Peter Thiel's groundbreaking book, 0 to 1. If you're looking to supercharge your understanding of how to build the future, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our future content. Now, let's get started. Have you ever wondered what it takes to create something truly revolutionary? Well, Peter Thiel has some answers for us in 0 to 1, so grab a notebook because we're about to uncover the key lessons that can turn your big idea from 0 to 1. Lesson 1. Embrace your uniqueness. Thiel says, don't compete, create. What does that mean? It means don't just copy what's already out there. Bring something totally different to the table. Think about it like this. If you're the only one offering something, you don't have to worry about beating the competition. You are the competition. Lesson 2. Find your niche. Instead of trying to offer everything to everyone, focus on a specific group of people who really need what you're offering. It's like creating your own special group where what you offer fits the needs of a specific bunch of people, and you'll find your biggest fans. Lesson 3. Dare to dream big. Thiel encourages us to think beyond small improvements. Imagine you have the power to turn every dream into reality. What big, crazy dream would you choose? That's the kind of thinking that moves us from 0 to 1. Dream so big that people think you're a little crazy, and then prove them wrong. Lesson 4. Learn from failure. Failure is not the end. It's a stepping stone to success. Thiel reminds us that it's okay to fail as long as we use those failures as lessons to get even better. Every stumble is a lesson, and every setback is a setup for a bigger comeback. People who embrace failure see it as an opportunity to learn and improve. Lesson 5. Build for the long term. Thiel wants us to think like marathon runners, not sprinters. Building something that lasts takes time and patience. It's not about quick wins, it's about creating a legacy. It's almost like planting a tree. You may not sit in its shade, but others will. Lesson 6. Question conventional wisdom. Thiel challenges us to be the rebels of the business world. Just because everyone's doing it one way doesn't mean it's the best way. Break the mold, question norms, and explore new paths. The best ideas often lie where others haven't dared to look. Lesson 7. Create a monopoly of value. Now, this doesn't mean board games. It means being so awesome at what you do that people can't resist choosing you. Creating a monopoly of value is like paying extra attention to all the small stuff and doing even better than what people expect, in ways they haven't even thought about. It's like making your business stand out by being exceptionally good at all the little details and surprising everyone with how much better you are than the competition. Be the superhero in your field. Lesson 8. Be adaptable. The world is always changing, and so should your approach. Stay flexible, embrace change, and be ready to evolve your ideas along the way. Adaptability is not just a skill, it's a survival strategy in the ever-changing business landscape. Lesson 9. Focus on talent. Surround yourself with amazing people. A great team can turn a good idea into something extraordinary. Teamwork makes the dream work, and the right talents working together can bring out the best in your idea. Lesson 10. Keep it simple. In a world of complexity, simplicity stands out. Don't overcomplicate things. Make your idea so simple and clear that everyone gets it right away. So there you have it. 10 game-changing lessons from 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. Hit that like button, share with your fellow dreamers, and comment below with your favorite lesson. And of course, subscribe for more videos on unleashing your creativity and building a future that's uniquely yours. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.